I was a BTech graduate. I graduated in the year 2009. I joined Indian Bank as an officer. Initially, I was working in general banking, and then it had more support role. I was not doing any development. So after that, I found Crio. I wanted to move to development roles. The entire curriculum, the way it was structured, it's not like full spoon feeding so that you don't get your hands dirty. Only guidance and proper resources to fulfill what the aim of that milestone. That exactly solves the purpose of every developer or wannabe developer. Caption says that learn by doing. That's the best caption. Crio's project itself is kind of real world experience. You will be like so confident what Crio is doing. They are making us to learn very important career specific skills, technology by making us to do it. Crio is having very good ecosystem. Their portal, their workspace, the way they have structured and their teaching assistants all are so good. I wish Crio very best.